What's up, guys? Welcome back to our second video here on ENL Challenges. My name is Ethan.
And my name is Lucy.
So before we get started with our first thing, which is our challenge for today, I first want to show you our rough draft of our merch here, everybody. Yeah, it looks good. Uh, okay, so what we're doing today would be our slime challenge.
And so basically, we're going to pull a card or a piece of paper, and it'll say an ingredient, and we add that in. But we might pull up like a dare we have to do, or would you rather. So rock, paper, scissors. Who goes first? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, dang it.
So I'm gonna pick my first one. It is pick again.
What?
I got lose turn.
My turn. Stuff 3 marshmallows in your mouth and sing the alphabet. So now I'm gonna put them in my mouth.
1, 2, 3. Sing. Now it is my turn to pick. I got glue. So now I have my glue to dump inside of my container. Right here. So let's do this. The whole thing in. Why not?
Wait, can I try?
No, I'm doing it.
So now I'm going to get my piece of paper and see what I have. I got glue too. So now we both have our glues in.
And now it's my turn to pick my next. Try to lick your elbow. I have to try to do that.
Oh my god.
I already tried yesterday. Oh jeez. Okay, let's do this.
I'm gonna try too.
I can't. Oh, that hurts so much.
Wait, I'm gonna lick my elbow. I licked it. And now it's my turn to pick one.
Like the ball. Put on that shape.
Eat a slice of lemon. Oh.
Oh, that was a good.
And now I have to cut the lemon, I guess. I need water.
You need water? Oh yeah. Well, that was refreshing. Okay, now it's my turn to pick. And I got shaving cream. 1, So now I have to put in my shaving cream, but I also have to put in water. So let's see. I have to try to use my powers here. Okay. I'll try my best. Not so good. I'm still rusty. Shaving cream appeared. Whoa, it actually appeared in my hand. Okay. Now I need my water thing. Water appeared.
There's no water in
Well, at least I got the container. That I'm rusty. Okay. Okay, so this isn't water. It's actually a water little thing, but it's a measuring cup. So I have to put in my shaving cream. Okay, so I have to put it in for, is it 1.5 cup? Yeah, it was. Okay. How do you use this thing? Okay, so I didn't know how to use it, but I did, but it was like locked or something, so now it's time to put in my shaving cream. Ugh, let me turn it on.
I kind of thought it looked like a
There we go. Now, time to put it in.
Whoa, whoa.
Oh, it actually all came out at the same time. That's pretty good.
So now it's my turn to pull one.
And I'm mixing my shaving cream around.
Beads. So now I'm going to pour in my beads. Wait, oh no, that's not a bead. Okay.
So now I'm gonna choose my next thing. Pick again. And now I got solution. So now I have to put in my solution since that's what I got. So my spoon. Putting 5 of those. And I'll use this. Okay. One. Dos. Okay. 3. 5. There we go. Now I'm gonna stir with this.
Now it's my turn to pick one.
My slime is coming together.
I got water. Now I'm going to pour it in. It splashed.
So now I'm going to be picking my last ingredient already.
Oh, that was fast.
I'll just pick from the top. Pick again. Food coloring. Okay. So now I'm going to be putting in my food coloring. And I'm going to pick green and yellow.
And it's my turn to pick my last ingredient, so I'm going to pick it. solution. Now we have to pour this in this 8 times, and my slime will be done.
All I have to do is stir mine. Maybe a little more coloring.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go.
Mine's empty. No, this is all got to work.
It's actually slime. Look, Ethan. Whoa, whoa.
What is this? What is this?
I don't know. Foam?
This is not slime. Oh my god.
I got lucky.
So, sis, you want to explain yours first?
Yeah, so mine is basically like this big yellowish green color and it has a lot of beads in it. So, yeah, that's my slime. It's beautiful. Comment down below if you think mine's beautiful.
Do your hashtag.
Why? Okay, so anyway, now your turn. Talk about yours.
Okay, so mine didn't work at all. It's just this like green goopy stuff. It's not even close to slime, which I'm like super disappointed. So if you think mine was horrible, comment down below hashtag horrible green. But if you think that it was actually better, then do hashtag it's better.
But if you think mine is better, do hashtag Lizzie Googles. Please like
And subscribe.
That's what I was gonna say.
I would say.
And
See you next
hope-
time on our next video.
yeah, that's what
Probably
I
gonna
was
make a
say.
video
Oh
in
my
2 or
God.
3 days.
So
stay tuned.
thanks for watching. Good. Oh, and if you have any ideas, comment it down below.
And
Bye.
before you guys pause this video and go onto your like Roblox or something, I just want to tell you that
Thanks
if
for
you
watching.
subscribe, you might want to turn on notifications because we're gonna be doing some more videos here soon. So see you later.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Don't try this at home because your hands will get so green. You'll look like
Hulk.
your Hulk.